Let's work with server-sent events in Postman. I have an example SSE endpoint here. I'll drop a link to this in the description below if you want to follow along at home. This particular API has a path variable. You can see the colon precedes the path variable, and I can edit this parameter here. In our example, this is going to be the number of events the client wants to receive from the server. So let's leave it at 5 for now and hit send. When we do that, Postman automatically transforms on the bottom to an SSE display. You can see the client has initiated the connection with our server, and as we expected, we have 5 events like pings, messages, and errors received from the server before the connection is closed in this example. Let's see what it looks like when we receive 10 events. Once again, the client establishes the connection, and then we receive all of our events. This can get a little noisy, so if I want to filter on specific types of events or messages or whatever I want to do, I can filter for it here. This is how you can work with unidirectional server-sent events. If you're interested in bidirectional streaming, check out our other videos on gRPC and WebSockets.